To make an appointment with the Career Center, you need to log onto Handshake. Then you'll see the Career Center tab at the top of the screen. Select that, then Appointments, schedule a new appointment. And here you need to choose a category for your advising. You can either select one that aligns with your current major, or if you're considering switching majors or going into a field that is different from your major, you can choose an advising appointment that aligns with that. But here we'll pretend like I'm a criminal justice major looking for advising in criminal justice. I want to read the fine print to find my major, so I'm going to have to scroll down until I see criminal justice, and I can see it here under law enforcement and legal studies. Criminal justice is located, so I will select that. Then I need to choose an appointment type, and I have a variety of different types I can choose, and I'll just go with resume and cover letter review. And this screen will show you the next available appointment times, and it looks like here we have some on Monday, and I can see who the advisors are, and it looks like Carlos is the only advisor for criminal justice. Before I select any times though, I do want to check the appointment medium. This indicates where your appointment will be located. If you have a preference between downtown and Allendale, you want to make sure you indicate that so that you can have your advising session located on the campus that you would like. So if I click this appointment medium box, there will be a drop-down menu that you can't see on this video, but it will pop up for you. And I will select Allendale here. Now this has changed to 200 Student Services Building, which is located in Allendale, and I can also see that the appointments have disappeared. This means they must have been located downtown. Now I just need to click other dates until I find one where there are appointments available in Allendale. And because I know Carlos's schedule, I know that's on Thursday, so I'm just going to skip ahead to that. But you might need to, select a few before you find the right one. And here I can see there are a variety of times available for me to choose from. So I'll pick one that matches my schedule. And then on this screen, I can see who my advisor will be. I can write a brief note about why I want to come into the Career Center, and then indicate how I heard about the Career Center. And then finally, you just request.